Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I would like to share with you the 5 important things to check before purchasing any Bluetooth speakers. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, the first thing you need to check is the battery backup. So, nowadays, I'm sure you definitely know that there are lots of Bluetooth speakers out there in the online and offline stores, but most of the people, they get confused to which to purchase and what are the things to check out. So the first thing here will be the battery backup. So first thing, you always check how good is the battery backup. That is, some used to provide a few hours, some used to provide a very long hours, so depending upon your needs. So how long hours you want to have in your respective Bluetooth speakers. So right now I'm having one Bluetooth speaker named as Maybe. So I'm not doing a paid review or anything. So what I experienced with this Bluetooth speaker is that this tiny Bluetooth speaker has really a good battery backup. I have not charged even for 3 to 4 days. Yes, I have played it for almost 3 hours continuously every day, from up to the level, that is the volume level of 70 to 80%. I have not tried playing it continuously to the max 100% volume, so I've kept it in the 70 to 80 volume plus level. So I tried playing and still it's in the 90% battery. So this kind of speaker which having a very good battery backup, you should definitely go for it if you're in a need of for playing it for a long hours or on the go, and you don't need to charge again and again after playing it for a few hours. So firstly, definitely check how good is the battery backup of the respective Bluetooth speakers that you are willing to purchase. So definitely point to note the battery backup. The second thing you need to check is the how good is the sound quality. So you may have seen tons of Bluetooth speakers or heard of various Bluetooth speakers, but what about the sound quality? Some they claim it's very good, but unless and until you try yourself practically, then only you will know how good the sound of those respective Bluetooth speakers are. So this Bluetooth speaker which I am using has very good, I'll not say excellent, very good as compared to its price, and it has decent bass also. Even some songs which has a treble also, you can hear it in the speaker. So I'm not suggesting to purchase this or anything, as I'm not doing any paid review. Again, I'm mentioning it, I'm giving my own experience. So you can purchase any other brands as you like, but do check the sound quality also of the respective Bluetooth devices before you're going to purchase that Bluetooth device, because you may heard from the many YouTube reviewers that this is good, this is not good, this has much better sound and clear sound. So don't blindly believe on those reviews, because depending upon your needs and taste of the sounds or musics, it may be different for different peoples. So you should definitely check the sound quality of the respective Bluetooth devices before moving ahead to purchase the respective Bluetooth devices. So on the third important things to check is the build quality. Yes, the build quality you must check before purchasing a Bluetooth speaker, because if you're spending like thousands of rupees or 50 or 40, 35, $100, everything, that kind of prices depending upon what kind of Bluetooth speaker you need. So as compared to the price, you definitely should check the build quality of the respective Bluetooth speakers, because some Bluetooth speakers, their build quality is totally cheap compared to its price. So the price which you are spending, you should get that kind of quality. So this speaker which I'm holding right now has a very good build quality. As you can see, a rubberized, this one material, a very good rubberized material. Even the buttons are very clicky, it makes a click sounds, and the front side, you can see this is an aluminum metal frame. Under is a layer cloths, and below also some rubberized dots buttons so that it does not muffles or just keep moving while you are playing in the higher volumes. So you should definitely check for the build quality also when you are going to purchase any Bluetooth speakers. So the fourth thing you need to check while you are purchasing a Bluetooth speaker is the connectivity options. So some people may not be happy just connecting with Bluetooth while using a Bluetooth speakers. I'm sure there are lots of people who are willing to have more than a Bluetooth connections. Yes, you can have such kind of connections also in many Bluetooth speakers. Just let me show you. Here is the options to connect using a aux cable also. You can see a 3.5, this one output jack. You can connect a aux cable, which is provided with some brands, but some brands does not provide this kind of aux cable. You can see 3.5 to 3.5, so you can connect with your mobiles or your computers also. So if such kind of aux cables are not provided, then you need to purchase it separately, but I have got it with this Bluetooth speaker, so I don't need to purchase it for extra. So you should definitely check those kind of connectivity options also. And even some Bluetooth speakers, they used to provide a micro SD card slot also, but right now which I'm using, it does not provide any kind of micro SD card slot. So if you're in the need of those kind of things also, or having a USB pen drive slot also, so I'm not having just kind of ports here like a USB pen drive ports or micro SD card slots, then if you need such kind of things also, then you should definitely check whether that Bluetooth speaker is having just kind of ports or what kind of connectivity options it is providing. So you should definitely check if you're definitely in a need of such connectivity options. So on the last but not the least, that is the fifth important thing you need to check is the extra features like the splash proof. Yes, right now what I'm using is a splash proof, since if some water splashes or any copy or tea just fell down on my respective speaker, then it don't get harm internally or any internal parts of this respective Bluetooth speakers. And even the speaker what I'm using is a rain waterproof, so if some rain falls or if I have just walk out on the rainy day and lots of rain fall on this Bluetooth speaker, then you don't get damage. So if you need such kind of extra features also, then you should definitely check these features also, whether the respective Bluetooth speaker you are going to purchase is having this kind of extra features also or not. So these are the 5 important things to check before purchasing any kind of Bluetooth speakers. So definitely you should check these 5 important things, and I'm sure it will help you a lot in making a good decisions to purchase a good Bluetooth speakers, depending upon what type of Bluetooth speakers you really wanted. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.